Hi guys, welcome to season 2, episode 3 of Teardown. I did get some new mods that you might they're not world mods, they're weapon mods. Oh wait, no, I will use, and I think you guys might know what it is if you like anime. You like anime? Okay. If you like anime, well, yeah, we'll have a look. Alright, let's see. Now look at this. Amatus. We know what that is from. Let's see this one. Oh yes! Oh, it straight up kills him. Let's try again. Oh, nice. Let's try Whoop! Nice. Oh, what? I thought it was. Okay. Let's try this one. Oh, it literally. Oh my god! It literally floats them up. You wanna die? You wanna die, old man? Come on, you want all this? Go play pretend. Bam! Yeah, I have the power. Okay, now, kiss. Alright, wait, can I do it good? I think we do. Oh shit, what the fuck? Huh? Oh shit, no! You're technically not dead. This guy should be dead. Ah! 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 You have no faith! I mean, not bad. It's not. The amethyst is not great. Whoop! And a 1. And a 2. Ha! Oh, cool! That is cool. I will say that was fun. You want some more? We're blasting off again. Oh my god, that's... See, I have to say, I like this. It's basically just me grabbing them. You know? This is more a tree like before. I know what this... What is this again? I can't remember this. Oh my god, I love this. It's like the force. Ugh. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, I kind of want to do this in the city thing. I do with Godzilla. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try in the Godzilla. Hold on. It's so... That is kind of fun. That is really fun. Okay. Also, kind of will before I do that. I want to, because the spells. I haven't fully gotten the spells yet. Fully. Hold on, before I do the best. I know. Door slam. Door slam. This is. Hold on, wait. I did kind of talk with. Okay. I think it's more lift people. I can't lift. Okay, now hold on. It was shift. Oh yes. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. What the hell? That's so cool. Black hole. You want to eat my black hole? What the hell? Come on, my black hole. I think the black hole only works with people. But there's a shift. What do you think? Alright. It's time to summon a dinosaur. Oh shit. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. How did I get flail? Didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. Fuck you. Oh shit. I just threw him. Hey, we're gonna play some tag. You like tag, big dinosaur? Come on. Come on. You wanna play that? Yeah. Oh, I'm blasting off again. What? He's gone. Come on. Amatus is good. Amatus is alright. I think in my head I kind of thought it would be like fire. That literally would literally keep spreading. Oh shit. Damn, I keep going into the water. This poor dinosaur. Like help! I feel I'm bullying this poor dinosaur. Okay, it's not dead, it's just sleeping. Damn it! It's like Annie, stop playing with your toy. But it's so good. Okay, hold on. Okay, wait. Yes. Here. Dang it. Okay, this toy is no fun. I want to play with another toy. Well, the same one. I want to throw him in with the city. Get your ass back here. Come on, how do you like it? Oh my god! Oh my god! I found it, guys. I found it. I found it. Is that dinosaur coming back? Where'd it go? Oh, I fine. Now, how we do this? Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so cool. You want to go? Let's see. Okay. Oh shit! Hey buddy, found your dad. Ah, it's grand. It's grand. What was this again? Where's that dinosaur coming? I can feel it rumbling. Oh my god, maybe tap. Hold on. Did I kill this dinosaur? Hold on. Oh my god! You wanna have a Naruto Uzumaki, prepare to die. I'm just cleaning. I'm just doing some cleaning. You know, you'll thank me someday. Where is that other dinosaur? Alright, we'll do one more. And then we'll end. Oh, I know. This dinosaur. Oh, he was heavy. Oh no. No, he's gone. Wait, hold on. No, idea. Is that dinosaur trapped? I'll try again. That's kind of fun. That is really fun. You know, that is really fun. Come on, my toy. Alright guys, I think we're gonna leave it at that. I think tomorrow we'll play some more Teardown, but for now, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna try the Amethyst one more time. Amethyst. Come on, Sasuke. Okay, it's good. It's just. Amethyst. Okay, hold on. Amethyst. Like, I get it's a spray thing. Amethyst. You know, I don't know. I kind of thought it would. I understand it's a powerful. Amethyst. You know, like very powerful. I just thought maybe more. Anyway, guys, I'll see you around. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Leave a like, subscribe. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.